The keyless go system in your Mercedes does not work? This is usually due to broken door handles. You can easily fix them with our repair kit. The kit includes the new door handle module, glue, a cable tie, and the original close button. To replace the module, you will need protective gloves, a long screwdriver, pliers, a thin knife or device opener, a hot glue gun, a kettle, and a container. Boil the water. Place the handle in the container and pour hot water over it. The heat will soften the glue and allow for easy removal. Wait 5 minutes and remove the handle. Remove the chrome trim. It should fall off easily. Remove the cable through the slot. Pry out the old module with a screwdriver and pull it out of the handle. It should come off easily. Remove the old button if it does not fall out by itself. The handle is now ready for the new module. Slide the module into the handle. It will fit perfectly. Feed the new cable through the mounting slot and secure it with a cable tie. Push the new locking button into place. Now it's a good idea to check that everything is lined up well and works without resistance. Apply glue where shown. Don't worry if you apply too much. The excess that will flow out can be easily removed with a knife once it has hardened. Fit the chrome trim and hold it in place for about 2 minutes or use clamps. Congratulations, you have repaired your keyless go door handle with your own hands. You can purchase the repair kit at mbkeyless.com, eBay, Amazon, or Allegro.